Good morning, South Florida. 5 o'clock, the time right now on this Monday. We continue to keep our eye on Hurricane Irma. We're trying to figure out just how much damage was done here in South Florida. We know there are more than 1 million of you without power, but we are on top of all these developments for you. We've got reporters everywhere bringing you the very latest, the sights and sounds of what we're dealing with this morning. Hi, I'm Eric Yutzi.
I'm JC Birch. We will be with you here for the entire morning hours, and we're trying to figure out exactly what we are dealing with, but we can tell you without any question, Broward, Miami-Dade, and the Keys, you have down power lines, you have debris everywhere, and you have a lot of damage that first we'll have to clean up. We'll have to get that power grid back going, and then we will have to start rebuilding and restoring all of South Florida. We're going to get to that in just a second as we have reporters working for you. But right now, let's see how things are going. Our weather team here in the studio right now with everything you need to know.
JC, we got the 5 a.m. advisory on Hurricane Irma, spinning just 60 miles north of Tampa, Florida. Winds have been downgraded. No surprise since it's interacting with land 75 miles per hour, gusts 90 miles per hour, pressure 965 millibars. It's moving north-northwest at 16 miles per hour. It will continue on that path, headed towards the Panhandle, and then eventually moving in towards the border of Alabama and Georgia. But remember, this system is so large, precipitation is already expected over much of Georgia and Alabama, where we're seeing precipitation rates isolated, could see anywhere between 8 to 12 inches of rain, with some areas even seeing 15 inches of rain. So our friends in northern Florida and into the south will be dealing with the system that brought us all the showers and storms that we've been dealing with here in South Florida. We're still dealing with some outer bands of the system, and we'll see that moving in from time to time. It looks as though the last advisory, though, we were told that the tropical storm warning may be able to expire as we look to the forecast, because our winds are going to eventually start to calm down. Going to the other issue, we'd had lots of rain causing flooding concerns. There is still a flood watch in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. So take a look at what we're watching. You can see the outer bands of Hurricane Irma continuing to wrap around from the Gulf of Mexico, continuing to soak parts of South Florida. It looks as though the worst of the weather we have right now is over Coconut Creek and over portions of Broward. Really, that's where we're seeing one isolated shower that's continuing to hang on right by Deerfield Beach. Most of the heavy rain that we were talking about 20 minutes ago was able to diminish. So we will see the possibility of dry conditions before another round of rain does move in. So here we go. Deerfield Beach, I-95, Sample Road, 441, the Turnpike, all the way in towards portions of I-95 headed towards Miami-Dade. I'm happy to tell you we are drying out after seeing a band move through. Also drying out in southern Miami-Dade, and also looking good for the Keys. So we are expecting that chance of showers from time to time today as they rotate around the center of Hurricane Irma. We're also looking at our winds that are going to be calmer today. You know who's going to have more on that? Meteorologist Luke Doris.
Yeah, Julie, it's interesting you show those bands and what's left of them. Not much on our radars right now. I think as we go through about 9 o'clock or so, they will come and go before they really taper off later on today. Now, Julie just shared that the Hurricane Irma, is now Category 1. It is weakened, but its wind field is massive. It is producing 800-mile diameter tropical storm force winds. It is simply astonishing that it is still affecting us here in South Florida. But we just had a report not long ago, this was a couple hours ago, but in the Keys, down to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That's a good sign. Now, again, that's an older report, and we'll get bursts from time to time, but generally about a 40-mile-per-hour wind gust across our area this morning. At times it'll be a tad higher, but the deeper through the day that you go, the winds will continue to drop. So we'll be in the 30-mile-per-hour range as we get to this afternoon. It is a windy day, but we will soon be done with tropical storm force winds. By 8 o'clock, out of the west or southwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour. We get into your Tuesday. It's not even windy anymore. Out of the west-southwest at about 10, maybe 15 miles per hour.